Hey guys, it's me again. Hope you're doing well in these crazy times we're living in. Now, today I want to talk about this new software update for the Sony WF-1000XM3 earbuds that just arrived today. It's update number 2.3.0. According to the update list, 2.3.0 is meant to make some corrective adjustments to the XM3 earbuds volume control operations. Now, to be very specific, it's designed to improve the event where volume control operations are not correctly applied, even when operated from the smartphone while the music is paused. And number two, improve the event where the volume control adjustment bar is unintentionally displayed on some smartphones. These look like some very minor fixes to its software, but today we're gonna find out if this update has any impact whatsoever, positive or negative, on the XM3 earbuds core functions. For example, its voice microphone quality and noise cancelling performance. So I've updated these earbuds to its latest firmware, and we're going to compare its noise cancelling performance and voice microphone quality to when the earbuds were still running on the older firmware 2.1.0. First up, the voice microphone test for phone calls. As usual, I'm going to play some really loud cafe style background noise, and I'm going to record a voice memo on my iPhone. And let's see if there are any changes whatsoever to its voice microphone quality. Background noise, XM3 earbuds with new firmware 2.3.0, record. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. So there isn't much of a change there in terms of background noise reduction, but after playing the recording back a few more times, I've discovered that my voice through the microphones sounds a little less bloated. And that is a good thing, because now my voice simply sounds more natural than when the earbuds was operating under the previous firmware 2.1.0. For the noise cancelling test, I'm going to play the same background noise as before, and let's see if there are any changes whatsoever to its noise cancelling performance from the previous firmware version.
Noise cancelling. Noise cancelling.
So no changes there in terms of noise cancelling performance. It's still as good as before. This is still the king of noise cancelling earbuds at the moment. Now, of course, whenever new software updates pop up, I will continue to update you guys of any changes whatsoever in its performance. So if you don't want to miss out on such videos in future, please subscribe and ring the notifications bell, because apparently that is the only way YouTube will notify you of new videos from this channel. And please hit that like button too if you like this video. Oh, by the way, I've compiled all of my Sony related videos from the last couple of years into one playlist. And there are a few reasons for that. Number one, there is a pretty big community of people here who like Sony products. And this simply makes it pretty easy for you guys to browse through my collection of Sony related videos in one place. And you can choose to watch them in succession or pretty much in any order you want, really. But if you choose to watch these videos in succession, like from the earliest Sony related video I made to the present day, you'll get to see somewhat the evolution of this channel from the year 2018 to the year 2020. Because back in 2018, pretty much everything about this channel was different. The lighting, my hair, my delivery style, the editing style. So it'll be pretty interesting to see how things have evolved from 2018 to the present day. Now, reason number two. With the situation in the world pretty much going from bad to worse, with so many businesses affected, everybody's got to stay home. Things for us content creators have been pretty tough too. Like personally, I've experienced a sharp drop in views and ad revenue in the last week alone. So by watching the videos in this little Sony playlist I made, it'll really go a long way towards helping this channel out, because views generate ads, ads generate revenue, right? For us content creators anyway. But if you guys like the content that I make on this channel and you like to support this channel in a more direct way, I'm also on Patreon, PayPal, and I've got a merch store too. So those are some of the ways that you can directly support this channel and help to keep things going. But it's totally non-obligatory. To be frank, just knowing that I've got this core community of people who regularly watch my videos and comment in the comments section is good enough for me to keep me going in these difficult times. And I really appreciate you guys for sticking around. I hope that this entire situation can quickly blow over, because things are getting really tough, not just for me but also for many other people around the world. And I hope things can return to normal soon for me and for you guys as well. But in the meantime, I'll be coming back to you guys with more videos soon. So stick around and I'll see you again, bros and sisters, in the next one. If you're a humble person like me, this shirt is a great way to show your friends how humble you really are. And whenever you look in the mirror, to admire yourself of course, it will also help to remind you to always be humble. So guys, this is a pretty fun shirt to wear. You can check it out in the link below. It's available in t-shirt, tank top and hoodie. Your purchase helps keep this channel going and I appreciate your support, bros.